During this tutorial, we're going to look at install programs. So I'm going to choose new application. And then if we go to our application properties, then we have install settings here. We can then press edit. And if you have not already built your application, then it will ask you if you want to do so. If you press no, then you're not going to get to the install settings. So you're going to have to press yes and then choose what you want to save it as. And then press save. And then we can get to our install settings here. So the first thing we're going to be able to choose is our product title. And then we can choose our where it's going to install it. And then we can choose our font. And then we can go through all of these options. Here we can choose what files we want. So if we have more files, we can add those. Choose add here and add the files. If we click on a file, then we can view the file options if we want to add shortcuts to the file or add it to the start menu, or there's a lot of options here. They're very self-explanatory. If you don't understand, though, you can always click this help button, and all the options are explained. Then you can choose what the texts are inside of our application, and then we can make an uninstaller and what it says, and choose all the options for the uninstaller. And then we have build here, and when we're ready to build it, we can choose build install program. When we can also test our install program by clicking on this picture of an eye here. Just click it, and then we'll get our sample install program and what it will say. And I'm not going to go through that right now. Okay, and then we can save, we can import text, and we can export text also. And then once we're done, we can press OK, and the install settings that we've changed are saved. If we ever press this again, they're automatically in there. That's going to be all for or install install settings.